How to zoom out on Gmail screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can zoom out on your Gmail screen. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser and then head over to your Gmail. Now, after you're on your Gmail, simply open up any mail that you want. And after you do that, depending on which device you're on, if you're on your mobile phone, you can simply pinch in and pinch out to zoom in and zoom out. It's that simple on your mobile. Now, if you're on your desktop, what you can do is you can simply head over to here on the three dots on the top right corner. And after you tap on that, you will see the zoom option. To zoom out, simply tap on the minus option. And after you tap on that, you will get zoomed out. Again, if you want to zoom in, tap on the plus icon. Now it's that simple. The other thing that you can do is you can completely increase the screen too, like this, by simply pinching in and pinching out on your mouse pad. After you've done that, the other way is simply using your shortcut key. If you press Ctrl and plus, you will get zoomed in, and if you press Ctrl plus minus, you will simply get zoomed out. And yeah, it's that simple. That is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.